Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add cart notes to your Shopify store, allowing customers to leave special instructions with their orders. So let's get started. The first step is to access Shopify's admin. First, you have to log into your Shopify admin panel, and to do so, just go to your web browser and open a new tab, and in the search bar type in shopify.com. Once the website appears, click on Login. Now, if you have already logged in, you will be automatically directed to your account. If you haven't, just enter your account credentials. Or in the case you haven't created a Shopify account yet, just do so. It's very easy and simple, and you can even link it to your Google account, which makes it very easy. Now back to the Shopify dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Online Store right here and select from the drop-down menu Themes. Now, in your current theme or the theme you want to modify it, click on the three dots next to the Customize button here to open the actions you can do, and then select Edit Code. Now in the code editor, look for the sections folder and find the card template liquid file, or it can be named card.liquid. This is where you'll add the card notes functionality. So let's look for it here. See templates, cards here. No, but it has to be a liquid file. Here you can open this one. Now insert the following code snippet where you want the cart notes field to appear. You can copy this code right here. You can pause the video and write it. It's this code right here. Once you copy it, this code creates a text area for customers to input their notes. Now add this code to this page right here, and after adding the code, click on Save to apply the changes. This button will be available here. Now once you copy and paste the the code, this button will be available. Click on it to save your modification, and that's it. You've successfully added cart notes to your Shopify store. Now your customers can leave special instructions for their orders. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.